how to export deals from HubSpot. So first, open up your account, and then you can just click on CRM here at the left side, and then click on deals. Okay, now once you're here, you can see all of your deals here, and then you can see the export button here at the top. Now click on it, and then it'll show something like this. Now from here, you can just type in the export name here, and then choose your file format from here, and then choose your language for column headers, as you can see. And then if you want to see more options here, you can just click on customize here, and then you can see a lot of options, more options here. Okay, so once you've done that, you're done editing all of the settings here. You just need to click on export, and then it'll begin exporting your file. Okay, as you can see, now you just need to click on this one. Okay, now you can see all of your deals here exported. Now if you want to open it, it'll appear as something like this. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.